This
right, like
conference will now be
the
recorded.
compensation part is skipping. So actually what happened means in the total all companies practical tenants, they have disabled the compensation part to add in this demo tenant. So I don't know the reasons actually. So for few days, a few months, or a few time, so they will disable this compensation part. So we need to look for the reasons actually. So not only in the Accenture tenant, even in Hexaware and Amazon, so in each and every tenant that was disabled. So I can update you up to like the hire process itself. So whatever we have discussed yesterday and last Friday, the process and all, so up to that only we can able to see. Remaining part, I mean like components, whatever we have created, those things cannot able to call here in this CNETs. Maybe it takes like actually work is going on. Some back end work is going on. So the reasons was not disclosed yet. Even in my organization also, for our implementation TNET, the process is not working. So today we have received that update from the Workday software team. So they have sent an email to us that they have disabled the compensation and also absence anyways, that is a module. So these two things, because we do have absence module in our company. Recently last month itself we have opted for that. The work is going on actually. So this two was disabled from Workday completely in the demo tenants especially. So it is for short time or long time, we don't know exactly. We are waiting for further update from the partners of Workday. Okay. So regarding hiring, any questions?
None from my end, Priyanka.
From all of you?
No, Priyanka.
Okay, thank you. Yeah. So I will do one thing. I'll ask, there is nothing in the compensation part. So after entering the details of the candidate, once you submit, it will go to the compensation partner. So he will edit the report and sorry, he will edit the details by adding the salary part. So whatever, because we have discussed like 1.25 lakhs of salary dollars something. So we will add that if there is any bonus or any merit or allowance. So if all there, so we will add accordingly. But here we don't have the option to disclose that. So I will try to close this even in the technical part also once it get enabled. So until I'm moving to the another task, another topic called security groups. So if
So
anything
that
seems
in the Priyanka, before that in the compensation partner, will there be option to reject also once the hiring, or it went to compensation partner, and if, will they be able to reject that also?
reject means,
The amount what we have quoted for hiring is like, if they want to reduce the budget, can they reject? And again, we can
so
release
whatever the compensation elements that we have created, under that only they need to call that amount. Like compensation grades that we have created, right?
yes.
Compensation grades and compensation grade profiles. So under that compensation grade and grade profiles only, we need to enter the salary part, whatever we have disclosed with the candidate. Not below to that, not above to that. And if you want to reject the amount and all means, you need to edit the compensation grades itself.
Got it.
There is no other process to reject the amount and all. If you want to inactivate the compensation grade, you can inactivate, or if you want to edit the budget, whatever we have included in the compensation grade, if you can edit that. So by typing compensation grade in the search tab, so we will see the report. On that report, related actions, and edit that. Like that you can able to.
Got it, Priyanka,
Fine.
thanks.
Yeah. So there is another important, very important topic. This is called security groups. Before going to the security groups, I would like to compare the topics what we have discussed from your module document. Just 1 minute, I'll open that.
This conference will now be recorded.
Thank you, thank you. Joseph is not joining today.
No, Priyanka, he will not be joining today.
Okay.
He asked me to inform you.
Fine, fine. So these things we have discussed, like up to navigations. I will tell you next level what managers, nothing. So I will tell you the roles and all. So there is a document I'll share accordingly. So workday access for contingent worker. So I will explain you in tomorrow's class. Setting preferred language means in the create location itself we will set the preferred language and all. Creating the job codes, so job code is nothing but in the job classification we have mentioned that like GSS/CEO/P001 like that. So that is the process of, it is nothing but job classification also. So allowance plan we have created. The applicant ID is nothing but creating the pre-hire process. So that time we will get one pre-hire ID. So that ID we will copy in existing pre-hire ID field. So configuring the business process we have created, and once you edit the, once you start creating the details, create a new pre-hire, then automatically one ID will come. So if you have any doubt, I'll create once again, no issues. And this hire and hire business process we have seen already, and resigned and cancel business process I will explain. So whatever I want, like I'm making it as a bold. If anything I miss, please let me know. And no problem, we do have technical sessions also. These are all pending in the module 1. Transfers, overview and configuration. So I don't know whether we do have access for this transfer process or not, but we'll try accordingly. And creating the job profiles, job families, and what are those, so we have explained about. And how to closing the open positions are nothing but we just cancel the process. So yesterday we tried to cancel the process actually. So whatever, once you go to the staffing, there the unfilled position will come. So in that related actions you just cancel the process. So what happened to top level management? So if you create any position, so automatically it will become as a open position. So that time you can cancel that process accordingly. Give anything. So currently I don't have job profile and all, but still I am taking. I am doing this. Say submit. Because there are no mandatory marks, we'll see what it will ask. So it means no conditions required. Normally we can able to hire. See, this is a open position now, which is unfilled. So if you want to close this, go to position request, and here you can close the position. Close the position. For this, what is the reason you need to give? Due to financial budget cut or something. The close date also either tomorrow or today you can take. So it may ask for done. So we have closed the position. So why it is unavailable to fill? Because tomorrow it will get closed. Why? Because I have given the close date by tomorrow. Okay, but position is closed. Normally it will have like business process configuration also called closed position, but in some scenarios self approval also will happen. So based on the mail we do have self approval, so we will do accordingly like that. However we do like this, so like that we do. Closing, how to create the positions we have discussed. And this is about the technical part where we are going to discuss about in the next after this. And here supervisory organizations we are done, staffing models comparison, creating the job profiles, again it is there, configuring the core compensation components. Now we need to explain about the security concepts and define and manage the business process, the complete report. I mean like what is step, what is type 1, what is specify, what are the difference between optional and all. So these things and all we have discussed. So we'll perform anyways the common steps. Hire already done, transfer and terminate I will explain. And these are all like technical part. Actually, self-service functionality is a theory part itself. I'll explain in the last class about the self-service. Whatever I am going to making as a bold, those are need to cover topics. So these are all the restrictions what we need. Please let me know if anything that I have not covered. So we will discuss it is in the last topic. System user creation also we will discuss in core connectors. Because only 50% we are going to discuss about the securities. That's why you guys also have mentioned the explain the key security concepts of security groups related. So in this functional part we are going to discuss about the basic related. So whatever we are important, so those things we are going to discuss in the functional part. So remaining and all we are going to discuss here itself in the core connectors. All are will be same itself. Here we will select one template called core connector worker. In the same way we will select the connectors called payroll interface and benefit. So there will be a templates, so we will select the templates and we will select the options what we need. Once you see this option, it's really very easy. But while transforming the document from Workday to or another vendor, so there we need to involve much. These are all very important and easy topics. Compared to functional, technical is very easy once you concentrate on that in a logical manner. Okay. So here I have clearly mentioned for benefits and all I am not going to cover. Why? Because means this two topics I am not going to cover. Clearly I have mentioned because this is not included in the process of HCM. So these are all modules. So these two modules are not there in the material wise. At the same time for demo wise also there is no access. That is optional for the organizations also. Every organization will opt for HCM, and remaining about the modules like recruitment, leave of absence, advanced compensation, payroll module like time tracking, benefits. These are all options actually for them. So if already they are continuing with another vendors like existing vendors, they used to continue with them only. So Workday is for only the process of taking care of the employee master database. That is the main core element in Workday. After that, this benefits, time tracking, and absence, payroll, performance, and recruitment. These are all options to the organizations. In my organization, last month itself, we have taken leave of absence. Of course, we are implementing the process from the scratch, but still, we are in 11 countries. So in that, only for one country, we have taken the option for absence module. For remaining countries and all, we are going to continue with the local payroll system and local biometric system as well. Okay, so in this, what will happen means Workday will connect to that local payroll system, and whatever I am updating, or like whatever the data I am adding here in Workday, like create hire, create pre-hire, edit the changes and all, that changes will update in the local payroll system of anything. Like SAP also will become as a local payroll system, ADECO also, ADP also, for us Mantra. So like the different local payroll systems are there. Whatever you do changes in Workday, that will update directly. There are two scenarios. One is direct update, like by using flat file, or another thing is like a manual update. We need to import the data from Workday. Again, we need to export the data to local payroll systems. Like that, different processes will be there, but especially for HCM topics only, not for other options. So these are depends on the organizations. Okay. But I will do one thing. I have one community document material. So I will share that material on leave of absence and benefits and advance compensation. It may helps you a lot about that. So I hope in the module 2, we didn't start anything, right? So module 2 is completely technical part. So nothing is there to start about. So module 2 is leave alone. And these things anyways we are going to discuss about. So this run delivered and custom basic custom reports and all, so we will discuss in the reports topic. So these things, this HCM topic I will explain now, and security concepts, and also, so this is termination, transfer, anyways the same topics only. Resigned process and cancel a business process. What is this two means? Resign and cancel. So cancel a business process is nothing but if any business process is in the middle, so it is not completed yet, so that business process we can cancel at any time. Say for example, resigned is nothing but, so a successful completed business process is there. So if you want to close that business process, wait, I will show that example. Say for example, here one business process is there which is in process, we didn't complete anything here. So here normally we do get the option called cancel, but here we are not getting. Wait, I will get into, go to related actions. No, here we used to get that option. One second, I just check. So these two are like what is this? Cancel and resign business process. So cancel is nothing but, so whatever like incomplete or in the middle process business process is there which is not successfully completed, where it is in middle of the process. So that time we can able to cancel the business process. So there is a process actually to cancel that. And coming to the resigned business process is nothing but, so whatever the completed action is there for that business process, once we complete that configuration and all, and successfully the task is done, so that time we can able to cancel the business process. So mass cancel we do normally, we will go with mass cancellation. So most of the business processes can be cancelled or resigned. So resigned meaning is what? So what is the meaning of resigned? Very important interview question. The meaning called itself, but the completed task we will do resigned. And any business process has not been completed. In interviews, definitely this interviewers used to ask this question, difference between cancel and resign business process. We can cancel that business process. And resigned is nothing but, so in which scenario we will cancel business process means, say for example, I have assigned one HR partner, but there is no HR partner role in my organization. That time what it is, that is a incomplete business process. That time you can able to cancel the business process immediately. And this completed business process can be reversed or revoked or cancelled. So whatever the meaning it is, if, that's it. So only this task can do by business process administrators, not by users.
Can the resigned process be reinitiated, Priyanka?
Reinitiated process means again we need to there is no process to reinitiate. Again you need to create the task again, because whatever the completed business process is there, we are going to close that. Okay, it means it is going to other again to the default definition itself, but still the task is done. So already the task, the hire process has done, and we are going to reverse that business process to the back. And where it will happen in future, if you want to hire the same position means, that time the business process will not work. Why? Because means we already reverse to that original path which is called default definition. So that time again you need to configure the business process as per your requirement.
Got it. Thanks.
Wait, I will show that example also. Here we are not getting that right. Yesterday or day before yesterday we have discussed about that. We have cancelled the business process also, I hope. We'll do one thing. Go to organization, remove the role. Say for example, go to any mm, come to here. So this is not a business process yet, right? So create any business process. Sorry, not create the business process. Call any task with business process, which is called go with staffing itself. Create a position. Some anything, any position, because in the middle we are going to keep that business process. So it will be in the approval process or anything. So ignore this. There is no job restrictions. Please submit. So without giving any details, you can proceed with further step by clicking on job restrictions. No job restrictions. See, currently it is in middle of the process, which is in unfilled. You need to go with the higher process, but I would like to cancel this BP. So for that, you need to have the access first of all if you want to cancel this business process definition. Okay, so come to roles. No, this is not. Go to related actions of your organization. Remove this as well. Save. Okay, no roles at all. Our topic is our business process is going to be in middle, because so this is position related, right? Open a duplicate tab. Configure the business process of create position by adding a row called HR partner. Edit the definition. Say okay. So here, please come down. One second, guys. So here, give anything, no issues. This is one scenario. And in the middle of the event, you can go and you can close that. If any hire or position request, this is also one of the event. I mean, like create position also one of the event. So say done. And now create any process, create position or something. We have already created, right? So we are going to hire an employee. Create a new pre-hire. Say okay. The source is nothing but from anywhere. Current employee referred by Anika. First name Ryan. He is our coordinator from China. So we are going to create one event, a hire event. So the reason is nothing but a new hire or anything should be. So here I am going to call employee type, employee itself, a regular employee. So I will call any job profile here. The time type is full time and location is USA. Better we would have like the same issue is going on again and again. I don't know, by this time someone is giving classes to another batch, I hope. That's why they are working. Again, we need to come from first. I raised a request on this with the organizer also. Come from first again. New hire. Again, before this, we need to complete this. Again, the page will refresh. आ गया. Ridiculous it is. I don't know why it is happening every time. Joseph should speak to the Deepak regarding this, because while running our class, someone is accessing the TNet, which is I already informed to Deepak. So once Joseph comes, or anyone, please let Joseph know.
Yeah, he asked me to keep him updated about this issue, Priyanka. So, and he
Joseph is
said
in,
that
I
he will be
guess.
talking to
Okay.
them.
Hey,
Is
Joseph
in?
came. Hi, Joseph.
Hi Priyanka.
Yeah, actually, I have informed to Deepak as well. So, could you please raise this again with Deepak? Why? Because means this time, so this is third time I am doing this hire process.
Okay.
So again,
See,
the page is getting refresh every time.
okay. See, I've been trying Deepak. There's no response. I've sent email as well. I'm not getting any update from Deepak.
Yeah,
Let me
please check.
check if I can reach out to someone else.
I don't know, but I mean, my contact also with Deepak itself,
Okay.
but I
Okay.
have informed to him, because this, see, again the process. Okay, another pre-hire is allowed. Fine. Allow the duplicate name, because with this name already one candidate just now we have created, right? So I am explaining the topic called how to cancel the business process in the middle. So there is a topic actually to cancel the business process which is incomplete or in the process. That time we can able to cancel the business process. Business process will come in the event itself. The event is nothing but hire event, compensation change event, promotion event, termination event. So this type of events we do have. Say submit. Successfully done. And it is up to, because there is no role. So under Anderson we are working. So we have removed the roles and all, but we have assigned HR partner. So it is in the middle now. Now what we need to do, we need to cancel that business process, because there is no one to complete the step or to approve the step. So for that, please go to the organization, and in the staffing, see, it is in the middle. It is asking for to add any one of these guys as a HR partner in the business process. If you get this error, means you need to add any one of this awaiting action by total 183 employees are there. Any one employee you need to add in the business process configuration. Say for example, you have added the group called HR partner group. So that time, in the place of HR partner, these listed employees are there. So you need to add a role, assign roles, any one of these employee to the HR partner group. Did you get my point right? If you get the same error or reassign step or something, you need to check the business process and what the security group that you have added, that you need to check. So that is called role based security group. So on that role, HR partner role or any HR executive role or manager role, so that roles are assigned over there in your organization or not, you need to check. And once you are aware, I mean, like once you know that there is no role with the name of manager, means go to assign roles and assign us along with that. So whatever the employees are there in this awaiting action, by any one person name you can take. The business process is in progress. I would like to cancel this process now, where I will get the access called cancel business process. See, so we will get at the time of in progress itself, that is called cancel a process. So cancel business process is nothing but whatever the event is in the middle, so that event you can able to close. Say for example, so suddenly this candidate called us, that she said like that she is not interested to join with us. So in the middle itself we will close this position. We will look for another. So error is nothing but it is asking for the comment. say okay. Okay, process is cancelled. Done? Clear, right? Whatever the in progress business process is there, that time only you can able to cancel the business process. And the completed business process, resigned is nothing but whatever the completed event is there. Say for example, you are done with the process called like any transfer process or anything. So one employee got transferred to another department. So again, all of a sudden, the like order has been changed that there is no transfer is approved by another manager. So you need to take that employee back to your team again. So for that, what you need to do is so log into any other employee, worker Kelly is there. So I'm going to resign the business process. So Kelly Brown is the associate for so and so. For her, please go to her worker history, because there is a transfer process or something has happened. So I would like to go to worker history and view worker history. Just check what happened to her exactly, the business processes what are completed. So all the business processes are successfully completed. Okay, go to any other, because I am going to take the either business process of bonus or something. See, already one successful business process is there to her worker history. Not only Kelly, any employee. In the related actions only you will find worker history. Again you will find view worker history. There only you can able to find the successful business processes. Worker related actions. These two are important questions, and they will ask, I mean interviewers will ask the process also. How do you cancel or how do you resign? Worker history and view worker history. And you will find related actions on any successful step of BP, you will find resigned. I mean, like already successfully the task is done. So you have announced bonus for her, but due to unfortunately you are taking back that bonus from her. Maybe any other like code of conduct issue or any other discipline issue or any other issue. So due to that reason, we are taking back that things. So I am going to resign the task. I am not going to announce a bonus to her. This is the amount that I have announced as an incentive. I am going to take back. Resigned the BP due to disciplinary action. Say submit. Process resigned it. Right? Clear, right? The differences? Very easy and very important. Okay? And what else? I'll explain later about this terminations and promotions, maybe in tomorrow's class. the transfer also, like these 3 topics I will discuss after completing the security groups. So module 2 is completely pending, where we are going to start as a technical part. And here also in the module 3, so tomorrow we are going to discuss about the security groups and this process also, like this is the same point which is mentioned over there in the out in the module 1, and this is like theoretical part. If possible, I will share the material how do we do self-service functionality and all. This is the technical part, how to run the reports and all, how to configure the basic custom reports. Okay, only this point is there related to the technical. So remaining and all we are going to complete in this process itself. It means only module 1 and module 3 will get complete, but module 2 will remain same, and it is like incomplete process. It takes like 4 weeks, 3 to 4 weeks to complete. Okay. Clear? Tomorrow we are going to discuss about this highlighted points. These 2 we have done. These 3 and security groups we are going to discuss in the tomorrow class.
Thanks, Priyanka. So, Priyanka, can you just ensure that you also escalate this back to Deepak? Because, if you're not able to do a demo here, I just wanted, team to let you know well in advance, so that, they don't feel bad in the training that the things are not working.
I understand. So I will take care.
Okay. Thank you.
In report there is, once you come to technical, there will be no issue. If they change the page or not change, no issue. We can work on that, no problem. But only this functional part, it leads some disturbance to us, but no problem, we will work on it.
Thank you.
Because the whole demo tenants is facing the issues, Joseph, actually. So since Monday onwards, I mean yesterday onwards, the issues have came. Not Monday, last week onwards, I hope, from Friday.
Friday.
Okay, so maybe in organizer's hand also nothing is there, but anyways we will come out from this. Okay.
Thank you.
But my job is I will try to give my best up to your understanding. If anything doubts or anything, please let me know at any time.
Sure. Thanks, Priyanka.
Yes, guys. Clear, right?
Yes, Priyanka. Thank you.
Yeah. Take care, all of you. Tomorrow we'll meet on the same time. We'll discuss accordingly.
Thank you. Bye.
Thanks. Thank you, Priyanka. Thanks. Bye.
Thank you, Priyanka. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you, Priyanka.
Bye bye.
Priyanka, bye bye. Good night, team.
Good night. Bye.
Good night, Priyanka.
Surya.